Hey, this is David, and today we're going to test the venting on an electric dryer that's taking too long to dry. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. And for today's video, you won't need any tools. I found out as a service technician that poor venting in a house was usually the main issue when it came to long drying times. If your clothes feel really wet and hot when you check on them in the dryer, then you most likely have a restricted vent. An easy way to find out if your vent is restricted is to pull the dryer out from the wall. Remove the vent from the dryer and run a load of clothes. If the clothes dry in a normal length of time, you know the vent is restricted. But if it still takes too long, the problem is with the dryer. Let's start by investigating the vent. Look behind the dryer to see if the vent is smashed against the wall or if the vent is too long. Both of these issues can cause drying times that last much longer than usual. If the vent is too long, the moist, humid air can actually condensate back into liquid and stay in the vent. Over time, this water can collect lint and more water, so it eventually blocks up all airflow. If possible, try and shorten or redirect the vent to make a shorter path for air to get outside. If your vent is smashed, then it needs to be replaced. If your dryer venting needs some attention, you can order parts at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can replace it yourself. We've got thousands of videos to help you with diagnosing and making repairs. We also want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know how the testing and repair process went. And if you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.